Oh, hello.
I'm just going to tell you right now, except for the decorations on the walls, which are none, the exact same room we were just in.
Oh, okay. Oh, it looks a little different. Like this is a little different. It's got a curvy door and the things are on the wall this side.
Curvy door.
And vanity area. This one has Kleenex though. We noticed there wasn't Kleenex at the other one, but didn't notice it until we wanted to use the Kleenex, and then we found we had none. So there is the iron and ironing board and hair dryer and extra bedding. The closet looks very familiar to what we had in downtown Chicago. We got our bed with plenty of places to plug things in for charging. And let's see what you got over here. You got the clock.
That's a little different.
I guess this is a little different. So, and then what else do we got? We got a couch. Kevin's already making use of it.
We got a 50% chance of rain coming up.
We ducked out our TV. This one's not mounted on the wall. And we've got a fridge. I don't see a microwave in this one.
All right, fine. It's not exactly the same.
Yeah, the store system's a little bit different too. So there's that. There's our desk. Probably can pull out this table if we wanted to snack over here or something. And then we have a tiny balcony. And that's what we got.
Yeah, I don't think the rides are open right now.